Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a fudgy brownie recipe where it is crispy on top and chewy in the middle. These are the ingredients that you are going to need. So let's get started. First, you're going to need to toast your walnut. Then you're going to double boil the dark chocolate and also the butter, where it will become like this. Above some simmering hot water, place a bowl of butter and chocolate. By stirring it occasionally, the heat from the water will slowly melt the mixture. This process is called double boiling. Now we're going to add the brown sugar to make it chewy, and also white sugar. Then we're going to mix it. This will help to reduce the temperature of the chocolate before you adding in the eggs, as when you add in the hot eggs, when you add the eggs into the hot mixture, it will cook the egg, so it will become like murky and everything. So this is how it looks like. Then add in eggs. Add in one egg at a time. Then we're going to add the cocoa powder. Now we're going to add the secret ingredient, that is espresso powder or coffee powder. It will bring out the taste of the chocolate. It will be more intense. Then we're going to fold in the flour. Then we're going to add the roasted walnut. Oh, first, forgot to say, you need to preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius, and also you need to line your baking sheet on your baking tray and butter it as well. That's it. This is going to be and put it in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. So that's it. Ta-da! It's done. I really hope that you guys try out the recipe. Thank you for watching. I hope I've inspired you to bake brownies in the future. Do take pictures and tag me on Instagram or Facebook at Ernest Yeap. On a last note, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos.